Hey, Bongegile here, bringing you the latest updates. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you do not miss anything I upload.
Sibonelo is no stranger to bending the rules. This time, however, the gangster has gone too far. He is planning to violate the COVID-19 lockdown regulations and wed both of his fiancés Nonka and Sipilile at the local church this fortnight. Under advanced level 3 guidelines, social gatherings like weddings at public places are still prohibited in the real world, which has been written into the soap. The government offers ceremonies as a Department of Home Affairs though, with a few witnesses. But Sibonelo isn't one to conform. He wants things done his way or the highway. Sibonelo understands he's breaking the law, but then again he is stubborn. Once he sets his mind to something, it's impossible to convince him otherwise, adds the actor. It gets worse. Neither Nonka nor Sipilile know that they are both getting married to Sibonelo. He promised he would dump either of the women after they recently discovered that he was still jangling them, but he never got around to it. Instead, he is tricking the women into a polygamous marriage. Sibonelo is confident that he can get away with marrying 2 women without them knowing, says Wiseman. But it wouldn't be on Uzalo wedding if it wasn't filled with tears and drama, teases the actor. All that I can say is that the first wedding is off to dramatic starts. Will Sibonelo pull it off and still manage to keep these 2 frenemies? That's the burning question. Sibonelo believes that he's covered all his bases. The first ceremony with Nonka since they've been together longer. They are going to say their vows, kiss, take photos and go home. Soon after, it's Sipilile's turn to walk up the aisle. Like the first wedding, it will be quick and easy, nothing fancy. The weddings are top secret, says Wiseman. No one in the community has an invite except immediate families and the priest who's officiating, adds the actor. For someone as intelligent as Sibonelo, he is sadly naive if he thinks that the 2 weddings will go off without a hitch, as Nonka and Sipilile live within a walking distance from each other, and in KwaMashu people talk. The worst way to build a marriage is on a lie. Sibonelo continually deceives Nonka and Sipilile, and deceiving them into a polygamous marriage is a recipe for disaster. Between his lies and manipulations, Sibonelo has shown us time and time again that he isn't ready to be in a polygamous marriage, or any marriage for that matter, as he isn't honest with his women, explains the actor. For starters, Sibonelo cheated on Nonka with Sipilile in February this year. He promised her that he would dump Sipilile, only for him to turn around and propose to both women at the same time with matching rings in April. At first, they rejected his proposal, but with much convincing, they both accepted to marry him on one condition: that he will no longer hide secrets and get rid of the other woman, and later agreeing to both that he will end it with the other. He's gone back to his old way and misleads these women at every turn. Sibonelo might care about his fiancés, but he should be transparent with these women. It seems like he is marrying two women to prove a point to his once polygamous father Nkunzi, who was married to Lindiwe and Hlengiwe from 2018 to 2019, that he is a man enough to have two wives too.
Looking at tomorrow's schedule.
Yeah. Let's move.
Whole sheets.
Que quiser, Delicinho. Você é o Shaya. Ok, que quiser, Delicinho. Que quiser, Delicinho. Você é o Shaya.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Till we meet again. Bye.